Have you been thinking about downsizing? I'd highly suggest that if it's been on your mind, that you might want to consider moving sooner than later. Hi everyone, I'm Pam Harrison with Keller Williams Realty. Thanks again for tuning in. Due to slowly rising interest rates, it will become even more difficult for a buyer to qualify for a mortgage loan. So it makes much more sense to act now and not wait. So please, if you've been tossing around the ideas and possibilities of downsizing your home, let's talk. We can discuss the pros and the cons of downsizing, and I will help you come up with a clear plan and solution that will help make you an informed decision. If you think this video will help someone else, please share it. And remember, I'm Pam One Call, here for all of your real estate needs, and you can reach me at 864-921-3709.